Can I tape it for myself? Can I tape it for myself?
Sure, sure. If I knew that, I will get a chart for you.
No, I want to learn.
Oh, okay. No, I get already made chart, but I forgot to bring it.
No, chalkboard is good.
So this is the cosmic earth and energy. When you stand on the sun, it's cosmic rays. Earth energy, when you take your shoes off the ground, on the outside, if you're tingling in the bottom, that's how trees grow. Life grows from earth. Inner self is your environmental energy. How do we absorb environmental energy? The whole saying is that your eyes are the window of your soul. What you feel affects your emotion. What you feel affects your spirit. You feel happy, you feel happy. You see sad, you feel sad. This is the environmental energy. So all three have to be balanced. We're talking about balance. Balance of the body. Body got to balance. The mind is the mind. This is the body, and this is the emotion. I'll call it inner self, but let's use the word emotion. These are the three that have to be balanced. You cannot be overbearing on the mind, you cannot be overbearing on the body, you cannot be overbearing on emotion. That's why there's so much problem today. A lot of people are too strong, the IQ is so high, when they talk to you, you feel out of place. You look at them, same people, I explain to you person A. Body people, the bodybuilders. Big body, but up here, they're not too much, they're smaller. Okay, now, you got the emotion part, the spirit part. If the person is too spiritual, when they speak with you, you feel out of place, I feel uncomfortable. So he's not balanced. When you look at them, that's centrally balanced. So in life, you got to be centrally balanced, and that's part of the physical sex. Body is the physical sex. Then with all this here, dividing all this into various triangles. You know the one I explained Thursday night. All these three have to be balanced according to this Tai Chi side, yin and the yang. Everything has its opposites. Everything has left and right. Everything go forward, go back. Always have its opposites, no matter how you look at it. For the center of this triangle, we have this particular word which we say Tao, meaning the path or goal. Right now, I'm giving a workshop at the university right now. The Hawaiian Tai Chi. I spoke with a student. You have this tree. It's an important thing that you have to ask yourself three major questions. Hi, Faith, this is Arlene, and this is Ed Hamada. She teaches at McKinney. She teaches Japanese. Retired teacher there. Oh, this is Carol. Carol is very important. Carol, Arlene, and Ed. And this is Ed. Ed from Los Angeles.
Craig.
She retired from Puno.
Craig.
She's another retiree.
We're happy about that. We're happy.
But this here, the Tao is what we say, and I was telling a student, you have to ask yourself three major questions. What do I want? What do I want to do? What do I want to be? Three things. What I want to be is your heart. You cannot cheat yourself. You got to be honest with yourself. What do I want is your mind. What do I want to do is your body. What do I want to be is your inner self, what you truly want. Like I was telling the students, I say, maybe you're studying to be an engineer. My mind wants to be an engineer, my body opens the book, my heart wants to be a cook. So it's not yes. But you'll be a graduate engineer, but you won't be a good engineer until you have yes. Okay? Maybe my mind wants to be an engineer, my body don't even open the book, my heart still wants to be an engineer, you still won't be. Okay? Likewise, my body opens the book, my heart wants to be an engineer, my mind drifts off, always drifting off. So these are the important things that keep trace of a person's personality, a person's reality. A lot of kids nowadays are in emotion situations. You know the mind is on top, body and spirit is on the bottom. Mind controls the body, mind controls your inner self. You can never have the body control the mind, spirit control the body. You notice in old people, when they're just about on a deathbed, ready to go, they hang on. They hang on until they see someone, the family come home. The mind is the one that keeps them alive until they see the loved one. Then the body retires. The spirit goes. You see. So now this is how it is. A lot of times, when you old age, the mind always fades off first. Then the body starts deteriorating. Then inner self is the one that let go. I say, I'll keep up. That's how life is. And you notice we have yin and yang. This is one thing, another thing people don't realize. When we die, they carry us out leg first. See? So now, that's why, when we're born with the head first. When we die with the leg move first. Whatever move first. Have you never noticed or realized that? When we're born, our head always comes up first. But when a person moves a dead body, the leg always moves first. They never move the head facing out first. They use the leg walking out. That's the yin and yang part of life. Okay? So now, going back to this here, we got this path. That's the important thing. In order to reach a goal, we need this word. Get down with it. Let's try this again. This in here, we need this. Oh, this there. We need this. Okay. There's patience. This is patience. Okay. That's the patience. Once you get the patience, then we can achieve the goal. Now, a lot of things you notice this is empty. Beginning of the year, I'm going to be healthy. I'm going to exercise. I'm going to watch my diet and whatsoever. 6 months later, you drop off because you do not have this particular phase, which is here. This is here. Endurance. You got to endure hardship in order to obtain goal. Right? Now, this is the very important core of an individual self, where they have to understand that in life we all have to have this balance. Within ourselves, we have to learn mind, body, spirit, and back to the mind, always a rotation and a circle. We're born here, we are youth age, we are middle age, we're old age, we come back to birth and death. That's how the life cycle. Okay? Our strength wise is when we wake up in the morning, we slowly get up, then we feel that ourselves to a certain point, then reach up to our peak. Then we feel strong. Then during the gradual day process that's going down, then we get a slow sleep, then we go to sleep. Yeah? Right? Am I right so far? Okay, now, this is the cycle of life. Mind, body, spirit, back to the mind. We have to have this word communication. Communication. Mind to the body. Body to the spirit. We create this coordination. Coordination, then we go back to it, we have this follow-up. Maybe I'm a refrigerator salesman, okay? Or maybe a banker, let's say I'm a banker. I'm a loan officer. We communicate on whatever it is about loan. You pass it, I'll coordinate on the paper and deliver it. But once everything's approved, I got to check up whether all the paperwork is done and the loan went through and things like that. Now, if I have the communication with my client, then I coordinate. Then I don't even check up all the paperwork. What if some paperwork are missing? They won't be approved. So you have to have this three involved. You have to communicate like I communicate with people like you. Then we coordinate with exercise. Then I go check on you, how's your foot? And then it makes a complete transaction. So now, this three also can be considered with a self and inner self and outer self. Inner self is with yourself to improvement wise. You have to have determination. I want health, I got to be determination. Then automatically from determination I create confidence within, body to the spirit. Spirit back to the mind, automatically it develops a discipline involved. I discipline myself. There's a lot of schools that say I want to teach discipline. How can you teach discipline when you don't have a determination or creating